Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic The Cure. Just like heaven. Awesome. So, we're in standard tuning. And let's go. First chord is an A9. We can make it A major. So, 2 D string, 2 G, 2 B, to E major, 1 G, 2 A, 2 D, and then we have a bar chord, unfortunately, so it's not good for beginners. You got a bar, 2nd fret A, 4 on D, 4 on G, and 4 on B, to D major. 2, 3, 2. So that's all the verses. Verses, and I'm going to show you the melody later. That's for more advanced players, but so that's all the chords for the verses. Pretty simple. And then we have the bridge. Okay, so that's an F sharp minor. So we get a bar, all strings from the 2nd fret starting on the low E string. Get a bar that. 4 on A, 4 on D. And then grab a G major. 2, 3, pinky. F sharp, F sharp to G, F sharp to G. That part happens 2 times in the song, at the very end, and in the middle somewhere there, after the, yeah, you hear it. Anyway, let's go to the melody. This is for more advanced players. We're going to start on the B string. This is all B string. You can play open E though. High E. Starts on 14 to 12, 10, 9, 7, 5, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, and then new string G, 4 on the G string, 2 on the G string, G, and then they go up from 2, 3, 5, 9, 10, 12, 14, go way up, 15, to 17, 15, and then back down. Let's do that one more time. It's quite hard. Start on 14. 12, 10, 9, 7, 5, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2. New string. 4, 2, 4. And then 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 16, and then back down. Like heaven. The Cure. Alright, thanks guys for tuning in. What a great song. See you tomorrow. Be safe and take care.